Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'll teach you how to see the file extensions. So for example, if you want to see here the extension of this document, which is .docs, you have to go to this Me button over here, settings, and then here's the show file extensions. Then you tap it, and then here you can see the file extension of this document. Here, for example, it's a .png photo that I recently uploaded. And yeah, that's it. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.